Okay, we're going to show you how to set up a template for an ornament, for the clear ornaments everybody's making. First you go to Cricut's website, you go to Design, and we want to start a new project. So we'll hit New. First thing we have to do, you could either make a template for the ornaments. I bought one, it was only $1 off of Etsy, so we're going to find where we downloaded that. Ornament template. It's a SVG, so we just save it. And then we need some stuff to put in our ornaments or on our ornaments. So I'm going to go back. I got a picture of my daughter here. Go complex with that. And we'll set it to a print and cut. Make sure it's clicked over on the left side for a print and cut. We'll save it. This is a bigger picture, so it's making the computer think a little bit. But now we will highlight everything we want to make these. I'm going to do a couple ornaments. I'll do one with just a Christmas SVG I'd had also to show you that. But we'll pick the template and the two designs we want. And the first thing you're going to have to do is decide whether you have plastic or glass ornaments, because the files or the templates are a little bit different for each. I'm using plastic ornaments, so what we'll do is we'll ungroup. We want the plastic one, so we can just delete the glass one. And then we'll ungroup again, and you can get rid of the word plastic. We don't need that either. Now the print and cut, one of the main things you got to remember is you got to change the color to white. Otherwise it's going to try printing black, which we don't want. So just double click on my ornament. I'll pick white, and then we have a white ornament. I'm going to make a copy of it because I'm going to do two of them here. But the first one we'll do with my daughter here. I'll just change the size to 4 inches. And I just kind of set it about where I want it. Highlight them both and hit slice. Well, this is the only piece we need, so we can delete all the other pieces. Now for this other one, this is just a SVG I got. We'll shrink it down, that's way too big. We'll make it 4 inches again. Just get it close. And here, because it's SVG and clear, we can move the ornament to the back. That way we can see what we're doing. And all we do is shrink it to the size we want. Center it up. We can highlight them both and hit align and center horizontally. That'll get it all squared up in there. And I'll just bring it down here. I'm just doing this real quick for this video. But this one's all ready to be cut. Print and cut. This one we want to flatten so it doesn't try cutting all these letters out. So we highlight both and we hit flatten. That makes it, if you see over here, it went from a SVG with a bunch of different cuts to just one piece. With the print and cut, oh, and another thing is the size of your ornament. You should make it, I think, like 0.12 smaller than your ornament, the width-wise. So my ornaments are 3.27, so I'll change the width to 3.15. I'll do the same on this one, otherwise it won't fit, which wouldn't be good. So, and with print and cut, you can fit 4 on a piece of the clear transparent paper. So I'm going to duplicate each of these so we get 4 of them. But so now we have 4 ornaments. They're all set to print and cut. So we just go to make it. It's going to arrange them on your print and cut, and then it adds the registration marks for you. So we got it all ready, so we just hit continue. And the first thing we have to do is send it to the printer. Make sure you have the paper, the clear transparent paper set up so you'll print on the rougher side of it. So you just send it to your printer. I always set it to, under the advanced options, to photo paper so it prints a little better. And make sure you have your bleed on, so when it cuts out your design, okay, so here's my preferences. I'm just gonna do portrait. I just got lost here. I was talking and not paying attention. Oh, paper quality. And for our media, we'll put it to the photo paper. I'll just pick HP premium photo paper. Doesn't really matter. It'll print better. Then we just hit print. It'll print it at our machine. I actually don't have my Cricut hooked up to this computer, but now that it's printed, all we do is put that piece of paper on our mat, and if my Cricut was connected to this one, I could click on continue and it would let me cut out the ornament. So that would be all we do. And then all you do is roll up your little pieces. Once these are cut out on the clear plastic film, you just roll them up and slide them right inside the ornament, and you're done. But I just figured this could help with setting up the templates. So, hope this helps.